Today I am showing you how to use Cambly app in mobile phones. Now you can go to Google Play Store and type as a Cambly in search bar. Cambly you can search. You can get it down and open it. I already installed, so I open Cambly. You can see today lesson with favorite tutor, and these are the options in subscription messages, free minutes, and favorite tutor, reservations. First subscription, you must take subscription to talk with native speakers. Those are some different plans in there. 15 minutes per day and 3 days for a week. What you need, you can choose 15 minutes per day and 5 days a week. It is, you can see it is the semester. Next select the select plan. You can pay the money through card, HDFC card. This gives us some options: HDFC or Access or credit cards, Mastercard or net banking, Paytm, Google Pay. Those are the options to pay the subscription money in rupees. You can see in you can enter card number. You have choose. Next, scroll down and click the next process. You can see that different offers. I choose 6 months plans. It shows plans details. You can enter email address, which email through you have to subscribe this Cambly. I enter my mail address. It is my email address I entered, and must give the phone number which are working. I give my number. You can choose the plans and pay the amount, card, UPI. Those are what you like, then go for that payment method. After that paying the money, you can open the Cambly app in your mobile. You can see next option is the messages. You can see the first page, home page. It is loading because it have some internet connection problem. You can see the tutors list in such tutors. You can choose one favorite tutor, their profile,
by thanking you for taking the time to look at my video. I'm so excited to meet you. The first thing you'll learn about.
Then you can schedule the day which day is comfort to you to speak with that particular tutor and make the reservation. Choose the minutes, which minutes you are subscribed in Cambly, and time also. Then press the next option. Confirmation reservation is giving message. Then you can see the home page like this, and delete the reservation if you not do that subscription or clause on that day. Next, go to the messages. You can see the messages, and you have to share the Cambly to your friends. You get the free minutes. Next, it is the favorite tutors list, and if you enter the referral code, then you have get the free minutes. Next, reservation, your reservations, and your your lesson history will appear in this section. Help, you have any doubts regarding this Cambly, about subscription or tutors or video calling and internet connection, you have to raise the your request in help. You can choose the tutors, and I show you how to call to native speakers. You can see the here start lesson in below. You press the start lesson. You have to see like this. And tutor is ready to pick up your call. I cancelled my call. Then back to the home page, and you have to select the tutor is your favorite, then mark has a heart symbol. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more